What's happening, everyone? We got some great holiday deals on some great entry-level GMRS and ham radios from TidRadio, this time on KMRD Radio Stuff. What is happening, everyone? Thanks for tuning into KMRD Radio Stuff. Guys, my friends at TidRadio contacted me. They wanted me to let you know that from December 12th through December 18th, 2022, they're going to be having some sales on some GMRS and ham radios. Do not miss this. These are some great deals. Let's take a look at what we got. So first and foremost, we have this great two-pack deal on the TidRadio GM5R GMRS radios. Great entry-level GMRS radios. It's a two-pack. You get two radios, two 3800 milliamp hour batteries, two hand speaker mics, two in-ear mics. You get a programming cable so you can program it with Chirp. It comes preloaded with all the GMRS frequencies, all the repeater frequencies. Also comes loaded with all the NOAA frequencies so you can stay alert to any of the weather going on in your area. $64.99 is the regular asking price. For the sale, they're going for $57.66 for all of this. That is a tremendous value for these two GMRS radios. So if you're looking to get in a GMRS or you're looking for a backup GMRS radio, here's two of them for $57. You can't beat that. But wait, we've got more. If we go and look at the UV5R from TidRadio, this is the radio that got me into ham radio. My first radio was a UV5R. So you get the radio. Those usually go for about $25 just for the radio alone. You get two batteries. You get the charging cradle. You get a cigarette lighter adapter to charge the radio in your car. You hook that up to the cradle. You're off charging while you're mobile. You get the in-ear microphone speaker thing. You get a belt clip. You get the speaker mic, hand mic. You get the programming cable, again, so you can program all your repeaters and frequencies with the Chirp software. You get two antennas. You get the stock antenna, and you also get this longer antenna. This is basically the Nagoya 771, but they've got it branded as the TD 771. It's about an 18-inch long antenna, so pretty much a quarter wave on 2 meters. A lot better antenna. It's going to get you a lot farther out, a lot better reception. For $37.99 is the regular price. During the sale, $30.30. You can't beat that. I spent $25 alone on my first UV5R. Then I spent another $20 on the 771 antenna. Probably another $10 on the speaker mic. Way more than the price they're asking for this. So this bundle, if you're looking to get into ham radio or you're looking for a backup, $30 for all of this is quite the steal. But wait, there is even more. Now we've got the TidRadio UV5R High Power. This is an 8-watt model, so you're going to get a little bit more power, a little bit further transmission. You get a 3800 milliamp hour battery, so more than twice the size of the standard Bofang battery. You also get an 1800 milliamp hour battery in it. You get the charging dock. You get the charging, the cigarette lighter charger, again, so you can charge it portable. You get the in-ear piece, so you can be the tactical guy. You get the speaker mic. Again, you get the programming cable. Program it with Chirp, all your favorite repeaters, frequencies, all that stuff. $45.99 is what they usually ask for it. It's on sale for $36.70 for this 8-watt UV5R. This is a deal. My first 8-watt UV5R, I believe I spent $45 for it just for the radio alone. Then I had to buy the antenna. Then you have to buy the extended battery and the speaker mic and all that stuff. So I don't know how they're doing these deals. They are tremendous. Again, if you're looking to get into ham radio, you're looking to pick up a backup, maybe a couple backup radios to have just for around camp, give them to your friends and stuff. Guys, don't miss out on this deal. These are incredible prices. You can get them all on Amazon, too. That is fantastic. And I will have affiliate links in the description below to where you can get all of these radios directly from Amazon. You can get them delivered before Christmas, so you don't have to worry about anything. Shipped right to your door in usually like a day or two. It's wicked fast. And I will also have a 20% off discount code if you want to pick up anything else from TidRadio's website. So guys, don't miss out on these. Get your radios in time for Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe to KMRD Radio Stuff, and we will see you again on another episode of KMRD Radio Stuff. 73, guys.